Yes, good evening. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Please hit the notification bell, you see me? Please give me a share, leave a comment, press the like button. Yeah man. Get me up to standard, Right now me the like 2,000 watch hour from a short video them and like change it at hour upon my regular video them. So I need the people them to share my video, like it up, Please comment, share and like. Alright? Yeah man, because without you have to do a good work, and so far the people them now reciprocate what I'm putting out. So yeah, wonder if my content not good enough or my content is too real, why it's not getting published. Because I have over 200 odd video on YouTube. Most sites are cooking still and waiting there, but I have some good content on YouTube and I now get the support I'm supposed to get. Right? Especially me push for corruption, get rid of inner Jamaica and the Caribbean. And these are the people who's not supporting me. So I don't know how is that possible for me to push for something. And the thing when me push for the people them and the nation them when me try to help now support me in what me I do. But big respect to you anyway still. You see it? Yeah man, it's just a matter of time. So I'm not going to bash you. I know say it take a time for you catch on to things and walk. So hopefully it not take too long because I try to make this thing work. So the future of the Caribbean and the youth them in the Caribbean can be better. So I need everybody to like, share and subscribe to my channel, Global Watch Media, alright? Alright, with that said, I see a video go around where everybody bash Buju and I say Buju sell out and sell him soul and Buju must be gay. Why him get back in visa for come America and all kind of thing here people attack. You see it? But one of you understand say right now Buju just have a son who passed away in America. Right? And from that alone, him have a grounds to get a visa to come to America, to come identify the body, make a claim to his son. So that is one thing. The second thing is Buju start link with DJ Khaled. And DJ Khaled link with Jay-Z, P. Diddy and the whole of them money. So so them credibility is very good when it comes to immigration and stuff like that. So all them have to do is pay a fine, and what them do, them put a stipulation from Buju visa and make him know say there's only certain things he can really do within the country. As a former prisoner who got convicted and went to prison for drug trafficking. Right? So, yes, it's still a possibility. Buju can still get a visa under them grounds then. Like me saying, just have a son that passed away in America. So upon that grounds, he could get a visa to come back to America. Alright? So, me not say, oh, Jamaican people just jump up and I say, oh, Buju sell out, Buju must be gay, Buju are this and... Listen, Jamaican people, I want to stay so, I want to say blood clot bad mind. I want to turn bad, sir. You don't want to tell me, say, Buju, the man that sing boom bye bye. Right? The man that sing boom bye bye, where them send him go to prison for 10 years, chastise him, make Batman chick him, and lock him up. So now I say, Buju, come out of prison now. And come sell him soul just to get a visa. Brother, Jamaica, I tell you, Jamaica one of the worst blood clot, man. People them, man. You see me? When you build people, I want to broke them down, brother. Not no worse like you, brother. I want to look on a man like Buju and say Buju is a fish. Eh? You know, see some of bad mind of Jamaica, brother. Just because the man get a visa before, who know we can't get a visa now, all of a sudden buju is a fish. Brother, we need to fix up on the priority down a yard, man. You see me? A time for to stop tear down people, man. Yeah, man. Time for to stop to them something, man. When I'm happy for buju and glad say buju get him visa, brother. And can come to America, come make some money for him and his family, brother. And even the people in the community, brother. You see me? The first thing we not talk say, the man must sell him soul or him a batty man or one bunch of things, dog. A fuck you now going with that Jamaica. With them farmer thinking there, brother. With them farmer thinking there, brother. Me I tell you now. This is why the country can't get better. You see me? And if you leg of them thinking there, brother, I'm happy for the man. You see me? The only thing me I speculate fan, you see me, is what was the process for him get the visa. Me not gonna say the man sell him soul or the man a batty man or whatever. Me just want to know the process, what it was. You know what I say? Because like I said, from the grounds of his son dying in America, he can get a visa just based on that. Even though he's a convicted felon that went to jail in America for drug trafficking. You know what I say? When it comes to family, yes. When it comes to family, America is a different place. And in a buju case, he might work with two of the biggest producers right now in America, which is DJ Khaled, right? Excuse me. And DJ Khaled is a part of Rock Nation / the bad boy, wait name there, catalog. So therefore, buju work with DJ Khaled, that's a big plus. That is a big plus. And hence is why he might have get back in visa when he can travel back to come back in America. You know what I say? Yeah, man. So, please, everybody, please like, share, and subscribe. You see me? Bless upon yourself, Jamaica. But certain things we need to stop though and let go. Second thing more I want to talk about. Me I watch a video. Let me see a young man addressing the nation, right? In a debate. When me hear him on stage talking to the Prime Minister about what's going on in the country for people for pay for the ID situation what they come up with. And the youth make a speech and the Prime Minister start talk. And then the Prime Minister I go say, the youth is not on him level. So therefore him should not say the things that him saying out of him mouth to him. So basically what I say is, nobody that's not a government official should not have the audacity to come out of their mouth and speak to him about government official policies without being a part of the house. My problem with that is, this is why we cannot get better as a nation. Because you, as a Prime Minister, are going to debate on live TV, right, with a kid who have an issue with one of the policies that you are forming in Jamaica. And that is the way do you address that little kid, right? To tear him down morally in front of everybody and saying him shouldn't question you. No, you tell me now, as a man who run a country, what kind of statement is that you making towards the future citizens of the country? You could have addressed it in a better manner. Now when you are telling you to not up on your level for question you as a Prime Minister, that is a problem. Because there is no level you on. You are just the immediate leader for right now. And remember, leaders only get 4 years. And the level where you think you're on is that same kid. In friends and in family them help to put you there. So for you to be talking to the young man and saying that, oh, he's not on your level, so he should not address you like that. That is foolish. That is foolish. That's why our nation can't get further. That's why Jamaica will never be better. Because when we have Prime Minister like you, that's a dictator, when nobody can say nothing to you, else you get offended, get into your feelings, and then you want to send people, police, a matter of fact, right? If you go intimidate the citizens, then people have to apologize to you and all kind of, go suck your mother, pussy. The one I want to forget gunshot, go suck on the mother. Down a Jamaica run man, bomb buckler country the way you want to run man, blood clot country pussy. I feel like it's a joke. You don't know. Eh? You feel like you don't get away with this blood clot thing all the while. Batty boy. When you down there, come tell the man about the man are there for your level and the man can't talk to you. What you mean by? Eh? The man is the one who vote you in a power. So if the man have an issue with you, the man supposed to can address you. You don't get away with too much things at Jamaica. And nobody holding you accountable for these things. You don't get away with. There's no world police to come and hold you accountable. Right? I've been getting away with these things for so fucking long. So long. So fucking long. No human rights now come to the aid of Jamaican citizens because nobody gives a fuck about us. You see me? And this is why you see all of these things happening in Haiti, because the Haiti rebellion, them we look at them way more serious than we. You know what I say? So, brother, a time for you to go, man. The whole I want to go, man. Tell me about a blood clot Prime Minister, a man can't question all kind of thing. What kind of fuck is that? Eh? What do you mean by no man can't question because a Prime Minister are not higher than people and all kind of thing, brother? Eh? I want to broke all of the rules, all of the laws, all of the regulations. And nobody's supposed to question them. None of them now get all accountable. None of them now get all accountable. And they don't want people to hold them mouth. Nobody enough to speak on certain situation. I want to send people to come kill them off. What's up, babes? How are you? I want to send police to come kill off the youth them and the youth them blood clot talk and go on like you don't want to take the youth them for food. They're going to go, man. Enough of them go, man. For real. Hey, mommy. Enough of them go, because a fool and take the look at youth them for and go on like you don't want to go around the youth them style. You see me? And let me tell you something. You see, all I know boy with America, me I talk to the gremlin them now. You see, all I know boy with America will buy gun and send go back a blood clot yard. For disrupt the people in my yard, brother. For kill out the people in my yard. You know, for know no blood clot self, brother. You see me? When I get a little chance to come to America and migrate and get some money, dog, I want to get some money, a gun on the buy and send back at the blood buckler country to kill out the people them. You see me? I feel like that's a good thing, brother. That is not good thing you want to do. You are part of the blood clot solution, brother. Eh? You want to be part of the solution, not the problem. Yes, Carl, what I got? All right? You want to be part of the solution, brother, not the problem. When you get a little chance to come to America and come to America and start make some money, the first thing you do, when you buy a gun and send it go down. Eh? Send it go down, go give you a friend them to kill off. The same little man them want to grow up in the community with and run boat with and cook food with. One time and look a picnic. And now because water go on up the road and down the road, when you look at the man them a certain way, dog. Listen to me, brother. You see, as long as a boy don't violate me good. Me and a man, no problem, dog. Me and you living in the same neighborhood. Just don't violate me, brother. And once you violate me, then me you got a problem. You see me? But, my youth, I'm tired of seeing them blood clotting them, my youth. And I tell you something, I grew up. A gangster grew me, dog. Real gangster blood clot grew me, dog. And I'm not joking. You see me? No family, nothing better. You see me? And my father is a cross, nigga. But let me tell you something, brother. Certain things me not in a brother. And a boy can't violate me either, like me say, dog. Because I don't play certain game, dog. Once your blood clot cross the line, then I got tax you. Yes, me G. You see me? So, brother, certain things the money for Lego. Certain things the money for Lego, brother. Because you know help kill the nation, brother. And that on a Jamaican lifestyle. A Jamaican lifestyle, go abroad, get money, come home. Every man nice in the community, that's how it's supposed to go. You see me? But when you start by the gun, they want to send guy yard for the man and kill out the man and the brother. Eventually, there's nobody going to left a yard. But be a woman, all of the man them are go dead. So how I go left? I be a sodomite I go left a yard, brother. And that you know what the nation turn into? Eh? My youth on the door and supposed to do, man. And fix the thing, man. And on the Prime Minister boy and the politician friend them. On the need for do. Right? Because that's where the nation has come to. Do not make Jamaica become just a statistic like other country, brother. We don't want that at Jamaica. You see me? We don't want that at Jamaica, brother. And brother, the Asian people them want to turn back. We don't need to stop do them things, brother. Once some of them reach on the land, we don't need to give them asylum. Alright? Political asylum. Because that's how it goes when time a man fled from them country.